day, my friends. It's your old pal Jordan the Lion. How are you all doing today? I hope you said well. I hope you're enjoying our road trip adventures. They probably won't be stopping anytime soon, but we've been seeing a lot of stuff, and today we have to hit the road because we got to see a lot more. Daze with Jordan the Lion, you all, and the things unknown begins right now. And we'll just leave you here at this abandoned hotel to hold down the fort. Catch you later, Bigfoot. I decided today to stop off at the 1880 town. They have quite a bit to see here, including Dances with Wolves props from the movie. It says here, relive the Old West. I plan on it. Let's go on in and start the explorations. The old diner over here. And they have some sort of weird, golden, emaciated looking cow over here, or steer. Old railroad house. See, he has to have a story of some sort, doesn't he? You are one sad-eyed steer, my friend. Big beautiful eagle over here. Oh, what's going on with this guy? Sheriff. Howdy, partner. I was hoping you'd talk. I was hoping your eyes would move or something. Movie props and Dances with Wolves. Look, the construction of Mount Rushmore. Some of the history of that. Oh, this is really cool. Here's a big case to baseball. Here's a lot of stuff to Bobby Doerr, Hall of Fame second baseman for the Red Sox. Signed ball of Bobby Doerr and Ted Williams, and a photo. Signed photo and ball of Bob Feller and Ted Williams and Muhammad Ali together. Well, take a look. 1870 French coach. Wow. All the American pickers were here. When we leave, I'll show you where that photo was taken. Boy, they really do represent the Old West here. All the old saddles. This giant longhorn. Now let's go see if we can find the Dances with Wolves stuff. Yep, we're gonna go right up the hayloft. This is great. Lots of behind the scenes photos from the camps. It's Kevin Costner's dad. These are all photos from the production trailers. And then here are all the props in this room. That is so cool. That is really neat. You know, an interesting story that I heard was that Kevin Costner, when he really started making money, one of the cool things that he did was he told one of his good friends that he grew up with, the guy was trying to be a screenplay writer. He had written stuff before, and Kevin thought he was really good and said, I'll pay for you to come live at my house and write. And for like a year, the guy did it, but never really produced anything. And Kevin was like, hey, you know, like, thought the deal was for you to stay here and write and everything. And then when the guy showed him what he had written, it was actually Dances with Wolves. So that's one of those things where when one friend makes it big and decides to try and sponsor one of their other friends to be successful, that it worked out. So cool to see all the props and everything here. Isn't that neat? That is so freaking cool. What a groundbreaking movie too. Kevin Costner was already a major star, but One of the chairs from the movie. And there's a picture of Kevin right there. And his desk that he's sitting at is actually right in there. That's where that photo would have been taken. Dunbar's desk. I love it. This is so neat. They have all the space and are able to do this whole big display. I love it. And here's another one over here. So here they show him actually sitting on this table. This would have been one of the operating tables. How neat is that? Oh, wow! Fallen Cisco. And look, they have a picture of it out there in the field from the movie. Now here we have some more of the props and costuming. That's the headdress for Graham Greene, Kicking Bird, and Kevin Costner's breastplate. Look at all this stuff. Isn't that amazing? And then over here we have filming locations for the movie. A map of where it all would have been, and more props from the movie. Prairie turnips. And here's Stone Calf's headdress. I guess they're calling it a quilled war bonnet. Now these props are actually from a made-for-TV movie called Crazy Horse that was on TNT. So here's the gun, and there's Crazy Horse. Some of the props. There's more Dances with Wolves props. The dead buffalo. And then also over here, lots and lots of stuff over here. The club. That's the club that right there that he's swinging around. That's that one. There's a Pawnee scalp from the movie. There's Timmons' scalp from the movie. The cane. And then it says the card used by actors and crew. They're displayed in their cars to pass their security gates. Here's a signed photo of Kevin Costner from the movie. And then there's Buck's horseshoes and tomahawk. And then over here they have some more props from the movie. And this is really neat. That's the bridle that the horse Buck wears. And these are coffee cups used by the Indians in the movie. All that stuff was used in the movie. Dunbar's poncho right here. Wow, that's pretty cool. The red rope shown here is the red rope from this photo. That scene. See it right there? Here you can see Kevin Costner. Said Dances with Wolves. Won Best Picture of 1990 and won 7 Oscars. Then in this case, you have a script, but you also have a belt buckle that says it was designed by Kevin Costner for the movie. And here's Kicking Bird's knife. Now we're gonna go wander the town. This is amazing. You can just feel a movie happening here, can't you? Barbershop and bath. Let's see who's doing what. It looks like he's waiting for a shave or something in there. Let's go look inside this little house. You can do a whole walkthrough. Literally, they have the doors open so you can go right in and right out. Somebody's cooking something. Nice little house. I am curious as to what's going on inside this saloon. And it has saloon doors, which makes it even more fun. Yep, there's definitely a beer hall in here. There's the lumber and coal mill. Wells Fargo. Some of the buildings are open, some are not. The blacksmith's open. Oh, they're playing creepy music. That must mean something's gonna go down. Some gunslingers gonna come out here. Here's the firehouse. Food and clothing. Little gift shop type place in there. General store. There's the marshal. I think if you're a kid, you can go in there and get a sheriff's badge. Let's go look inside the firehouse. Nice! Wow. You did a great job with this place. So there's the bank. That's where the American Pickers were taking their photo right there. I told you we'd see it when we went outside. All right, let's go see what's going on here. There's the marshal's desk. Let's go see the jail.
Look at his boots. Those are big boots, aren't they? Look how tall they are.
Yikes.
Pretty amazing. And that's where they slept. Isn't that a short bed?
They have two jails in here, actually.
Short to me. Look, they got the floor.
Chamber pot used in the jail cell in Sticky, South Dakota. Date on the lid. It says the date on the lid is 1880. Here's the marshal's bed. Let's go in this little house, see what's going on in here. Just a little one-room house. Let's see what's going on here.
Okay.
Let's go explore over here a little bit. I see a saloon coming up. This is amazing. Holy smoke. Wow, you really feel like you went back in time here. Wow, this is great. I love it. You know, there were some cheaters that would have been killed at these tables, I'm sure. This was an exciting little trip here. I bet this guy up here sings. That was cool. Oh, look at that. Dr. Phil Good's River Tonic, the magic elixir. Let's go check out the saddle shop. This place is great. They did a fantastic job here. Capital Bootery. Get your saddle and your boot fixed. Alright, now let's check out the livery. That's great. I have like statues of horses in here, just to make you feel like you're really getting the live experience. Wow! Look at all these old coaches in here. This is so awesome. There's just tons and tons of them back here, though. All right, let's go visit St. Stephen's Church. You want to talk about a perfect movie set? I mean, this is amazing. I hope it's open for us to see. Alright, let's see the rest of the town over here. Oh, I think you can get on the train too. We should definitely do that. I didn't even see that part of the train down there. Man, they went all out for this place. It's really, really special. On top of just Dances with Wolves props, then you get like this whole western town. All aboard! Wow, interesting. The seating and everything. Little desk. Not the most comfortable seating I can imagine, but cool nonetheless. Yeah, we're passing by the portrait studio and the post office. Oh, cool, they're doing themed photos. real estate office, the land office. And let's walk through here. Oh, we're in the bank. Those gold bars on his desk. Oh, it's a holiday. There again, there's the picture of the American Pickers right there on the front porch where we showed you. We're inside that bank right now. Hello, Melvin. How you doing in there today? Good to hear. Good to hear. So there's your American Picker shot right there. Let's go see some more. A little bit more to see. The Western Star, the newspaper. The feed store. Let's go see what's in the feed and seed. And they probably kept a lot of it upstairs. Now let's go check out the Wagon Place. Peter Shuttler's Wagons. The one best wagon since 1843. Looks like he's building some in here. Hello, our names are Annie and Claire. I nibble, please do not hand feed. Annie and Claire. I see some tails wagging. Annie and Claire. Are you Annie? Are you Claire? You're Claire, aren't you? You're Claire. Annie and Claire. Alright, let's go over here and see this barn that says Dances with Wolves. You know there has to be more props in there. Has to be. See a horse. Oh, cool. It looks like they have the wagons. That is rad. That is so cool. They even have a picture of, a couple pictures. There's Kevin Costner in the wagon behind it. And then here's another one. So that would be this wagon. That is super cool. And then it says Prairie wagon used by Dunbar, Kevin Costner, and Timmons, Robert Pastorelli, on trip from Fort Hayes to Fort Sedgwick. That is so cool. The whole thing. And then here's a painting of a guy on this wagon. Take a look at what it looks like now. Looks a little bit different these days, doesn't it? Oh, that's neat. Rose quartz. It's the South Dakota state mineral. I don't blame him, it's beautiful. Well, 1880's town, this has been an amazing time. But I think we gotta call it a day. Well, my friends, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Have a great night, and goodbye.